Hello students, today we continue our discussion on the chapter midpoint theorem. Let us begin and solve some problem. ABCD is a kite in which BC equals to CD. ABCD is a kite where BC equals to CD, AB equals to AD, EFG are the midpoint of CD, BC and AB respectively. So we need to prove that angle EFG equals to 90 degree and the line drawn through G parallel to FE bisect DA. Now to prove this sum, we need to draw the diagonal, that means join AC and BD, and we need to draw GH through G parallel to FE. Now we know that diagonals of a kite intersect at 90 degree. Therefore we can say that angle BOC equals to 90 degree and angle MON, that means angle MON equals to 90 degree. Now in triangle BCD, E and F are the midpoint of CD and BC. Therefore, if you apply the midpoint theorem, you can say that EF is parallel to DB and EF equals to half of BD. Now, in triangle ABD, G is the midpoint of AB and HG is parallel to DB. Therefore, we can say that by converse of midpoint theorem, we can say that HG is parallel to DB and H becomes the midpoint of DA. Hence, the line through G parallel to FE is bisect DA. Similarly, if we see EF is parallel to DB, that means MF is parallel to ON. Now, sum of these two angles is equal to 90 degree. Therefore, we can say that MFN is equal to 90 degree. Therefore, EFG equals to 90 degree. Let us discuss another problem. In the adjoining figure, the lines L, M and N are parallel to each other and G is the midpoint of CD. G is the midpoint of CD. We need to calculate BG if AD is equal to 6 cm, CF if GE is equal to 2.3 cm, AB if BC is equal to 2.4 cm and ED if FD is equal to 4.4 cm. Now in triangle ACD, G is the midpoint of AD, CD and BG parallel to AD. Therefore B, by converse of midpoint theorem, B is the midpoint of AC and BG is equal to half of AD. Therefore BG is equal to half of AD is given as 6 cm, so 2 into 3, 6, so you will get 3 cm. In triangle CDF, G is the midpoint and GE parallel to CF. Therefore, by converse of midpoint theorem, E becomes the midpoint of FD. There, and you can say that GE equals to half of CF. So if you apply cross multiplication, so you will get CF is equal to 2GE. That means 2 into 2.3 equals to 4.6 cm. Now B is the midpoint of AC. Therefore we can say AB is equal to BC. Therefore BC is given as 2.4 cm. Therefore AB is also equals to 2.4 cm. And the last part of the sum is we need to find out ED. So E is the midpoint of FD. Therefore we can say that ED is equal to half of FD. Therefore ED is equal to half of 4.4 cm. That means ED is equal to 2.2 cm. Thank you, student.